Best free AI image generator. AI image generator. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you guys how you can get started with a free image generator. So AI or learning models have now created images, and this is just an example of what I've created. I'm going to show you guys a couple of different platforms that you can use, as well as how you can use these platforms. So let's get into it. Now, my current favorite is Night Cafe. Night Cafe is not as popular as other platforms. However, the images that you create with Night Cafe are super nice. They are super artistic, and Night Cafe does give you the opportunity to create for free. As well, if you have larger creation needs, then you can upgrade. Now, all you have to do on Night Cafe is sign up, and they do have a credit system. So you can choose certain amount of credits. So 100 credits a month are going to run you $4.79. However, they do give you 15 free credits on sign up. Plus, you also get free credits after a week. So you get around 5 or 4 credits every week. So you do have the opportunity to keep on creating for free as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the creations. This is one of the creations I've made, and you can even build your own text to image models. So you can fine tune a particular model like this one over here. This is just, their artistic model. This is a face model. This is an artistic model. So you can basically teach the AI the type of art you want to generate. This is amazing for people that are looking for something a bit more long-term, not something that they are just going to use once. If you want to build something that is going to last a while and that has a very unique individualized style, you can definitely choose this. Now, I can click on create on the top right, and I can get started with their basic creation tool. This is their SDXL 1.0 model. They have a few different models you can choose from, and you can create accordingly. Plus, they even have multiple different challenges running. So if you click on the top right over here, you can submit a creation that follows the daily theme. Then there is voting, and then there are results. Then you get a certain number of credits as a reward. You guys can see there are a few different tools available. So let's go ahead and create a new image on Night Cafe. So I'm going to click on create, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a different model. So you guys can see this is their most popular model, which is the XDXL. Now, they have a Mysterious XL, they have the Dream Shaper Alpha, they have the Real Cartoon. Now, I'm going to be using maybe the Dream Shaper one. So let's choose this one. And then I'm going to put in the same prompt. So the first prompt I put in was dog in a royal garden running towards it. Now, you can also add a default negative prompt, which means what you don't want to include. So if I don't want to include red roses in it, I can specify that, and it is not going to add that. Then you have a style preset, so I want this to be the Night Cafe style. Now, the model and styles are two different things. The model is the AI based, so the AI that has a certain type of knowledge, and then the style is going to be what you're going to tell the AI you want. Then you have your settings, so I only want one image. Now, the more settings you choose, the more credits you're going to send, so I'm just going to keep it 1. I'm going to keep the output resolution to medium and a short runtime. And you guys can see I have a 1 credit cost. If I increase the number of images, it's going to go up to 4 credits, and so on. Now, you also have a bonus option where you can purchase credits as you are creating. So I'm going to click on create over here, and let's take a look at the same prompt in 2 different settings. So this is going to be the Dream Shaper model, and first we were using the XDSL model. So let's take a look at the differences at both of these and what kind of images you can generate with different types of AI creators, so AI model generators. So you guys can see this is a very mystical image, and this is a very royal and elegant and gallant kind of image. So both of these are amazing. Now, this is just one tool out of the many tools that I have for you guys. So let's move on to our next tool. It is Midjourney. Now, Midjourney is super popular. I don't think I need to provide a lot of detail on this because Midjourney is something that we all have heard of at this point. You add this to Discord, and then you can build your own Discord channel with Midjourney bot, and then you can just keep on creating based on the number of credits you have. It's a great tool, and I definitely do think it's one of the best out there. Now, one tool that a lot of people know about but haven't actually tried out is the Meta tool. So Meta and Microsoft Bing all have released their own AI tools. This is the Meta tool. So it's called imagine.meta.com, and you can just log in to generate. So first off, I'm going to click on login to generate. And usually everyone is already on Facebook, so I don't have to worry about that. I can just go ahead and generate and log into my Facebook account. So we're just going to log into our account over here. So we have the Meta AI over here, and you can generate images as we did on Night Cafe. Now, another amazing AI tool is the Microsoft Bing tool. So you can click on join and create, and for this you do need to have a Microsoft account. And depending on, the level of package you have purchased on Microsoft, you can create accordingly. Now, these are all larger platforms that you might have heard of. However, there are some niche platforms that you might not know of that are amazing image generators as well, such as the Starry AI tool. So the Starry AI tool is a simple tool. You can sign up with Google and get started with your particular style, as well as the DALL-E mini tool. Now, in other tools, we also have the Heritage tool and the Animated Drawings tool, but one of my personal favorites is the Deep Dream Generator. So I'll just log into Deep Dream Generator over here, and it builds some really amazing AI-based images. So I'm just going to sign up like this, and then this is all you have to do. Just create an email and a password, and you will see some of their amazing art that they have been creating. Now, I can go on ahead and search for an image by a prompt, or I can click on generate and generate my own image. So they have a bunch of different models as well. I want this one. I really like this style. And then I'm going to use the same prompt that we put in the Night Cafe AI image generator. So I'm going to use the same prompt over here as well, so you guys can see a quick comparison of the differences between different AI models. So I'm going to click on generate over here, and per image they are charging 4 lightning bolts. That is their crediting system, and they give you 100 credits on sign up. So this is the image that they've generated. This is a lot more realistic. It's not as fantasy based, which it looks really good, and I really like this image as well. And these are some of the amazing tools you can get started with for AI image generation. There are other tools such as the Deep AI org tool. I've put in the same prompt over here, and it's generated an image. Different AI systems are going to yield different results. So depending on your personal preferences and the amount of detail you want, you can check out any of these platforms that we've talked about today for your AI image generation needs. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.